Welcome YouTube, it's your boy Pluto Grind, and today I'm back in another video. And as the title say, today's video is gonna be about the laziest way you can use AI to make money. The laziest way to make money with AI. That's what today's video is gonna be about. And today I'm gonna be teaching you a very easy way. Like, it's so easy, even a 5-year-old can do it, and you just have to be smart about it. Like, you can start earning like a good amount of money from it quick, as fast as possible. Let's get to the second slide. Now, the name of this idea I'm about to teach you guys is making high quality thumbnails for YouTubers. And with this type of business model, you can be making anywhere from $20 to like $50 per day on like a small scale. Let's say someone you just message, like 1 or 2 not so big YouTube creators, and you just tell them you can make like a really good thumbnail for them, and they just say they'll pay like $20 per thumbnail or $50 per thumbnail. But that's just like on a smaller scale. If you can like build your business and like make maybe like an Instagram account and like post your designs there and like make it seem like that is the only actual thing you do, and like just promote yourself in a bigger way, you can be making anywhere from $200 to like $500 per day. And that's on like a big scale. So you need to know that alone should tell you that this business model is high, like it's high up there. Like, once you master it properly and you get how to actually do this, you can make serious bread from it. So that's what you need to know. Let's get to the next slide. Now, how do we do this? Like, how do you actually start this to make money from it? Who are you gonna go meet? Like, who's your target audience? Like, the type of style you're gonna use, what social media platform, stuff like that. And let me just give you like a quick note. I'm gonna give you like an easy example workflow that you can just follow quick, and it's gonna give you like a very high quality thumbnail so fast, and you don't even need to do a lot of work. Now, how do you actually do the business model I just talked about in the previous slide? Well, it's super easy. First, you need to like know the platform you're gonna use, which is YouTube, your audience, like people that are gonna be seeing the thumbnail, and like what type of style you're gonna use. So you need to define your goal, which basically means like to ask yourself, what platform do you want to make this thumbnail for? Is it YouTube? Is it Instagram? Is it TikTok? But mostly we both know it's gonna be YouTube, because that's what pays the most. That's what you're gonna have to first of all like figure out the platform you want to make this thumbnail for. After that, you then need to go to like the type of audience attention you want to get. Is it kids? Is it grown-ups? Is it 9 to 5s? Just think. You have to think and like make sure you know what you're doing. And then lastly, the type of style you're gonna use, like the font. Is it gonna be bold? Is it gonna have lines? Is it gonna have different colors? Just how the thumbnail like text and style is gonna look. That's just basically what style is. So the 3 things you need to know for number 1 on how to do this is the platform you're gonna do it, your audience, which is the people that you want to grab their attention, and the type of style you're gonna use. Those are the 3 things you need to know. That's what you need to know. I like to create like this high quality thumbnails. That brings us to step number 2. The tools that you can use are Canva, vid.io, and Adobe Express. 3 of them is like the same. Canva, there's like an inbuilt like I think text to pick software. I'm not too sure. I think that's the name. I forgot the name, but I think that's the name on Canva. Like, that's the name of the software. It's just text to like image or something, and you just tell the AI what you want it to do, and it just creates it. And we've got vid.ai, which basically does the same, and we've got Adobe Express. It also has like that type of software in it. But personally, for me, the software I would recommend for this type personally is Canva. That is like the software I would recommend for like this business model, because Canva is easier, everyone knows it, and like it's free. Although there's like paid stuff on it, but like it's free and everyone can easily get this. So let's get to the next slide. Now, as I promised, at the end of the video, I told you all I'm gonna give you a quick and easy example workflow to achieve this method way faster, like so you won't have to do so much work and start making money so quick. Now, when you open your ChatGPT, maybe on your laptop or your phone, either of them, like if you go to like the menu part, you would see like they have other GPTs and other stuff. Now, when you go through this GPT, there's something you're gonna see called deal.e. It's inside the ChatGPT app or website or wherever you're using. There's something they call deal.e. Then you go to deal.e. That I'm teaching you how to actually do this so faster. First thing you need to do is go to deal.e in ChatGPT. Then you write this prompt to deal.e. Generate a thumbnail image. This is just an example. It could be generate a thumbnail image of a businessman in a Mercedes Benz, in a Range Rover. You can just think. But let's say we just, for the sake of this video, let's just say the person is looking shocked at like a massive glowing smartphone in space. So what you have to do is you're gonna tell prompt deal.e to generate a thumbnail image showing a person looking shocked at a massive glowing smartphone in space, and as quick as possible it's gonna start loading. It might take a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I think it's around 5-6 minutes it's gonna take, and boom, you have your picture ready. Now once you get that, you're gonna go to your Canva, put that in Canva and start editing it. First you upload the image like that, the deal.e in ChatGPT, the image it made for you, you upload that into Canva, and then you start adding like good text, maybe it's happening, or how did this happen, just something to like grab people's attention. You add arrows, you add glow effects, you adjust the contrast, you make it brighter, you make it darker, just to make it look even better after the AI has created one for you. That you just have to do like the final touches and to even make it look even more better. Then when you're done with all of that, the last step, you need to like export it at high resolution, which is 1280 by 720. That is the only like thingy for YouTube thumbnail. That is the only dimension for YouTube thumbnail, and it has to be high resolution so your thumbnail can pop out. And once you do that for someone, like let's say you charge $10, this is like on a small scale, and you have like 5 YouTubers, and just tell them, oh, I can make you high quality thumbnail for just $10, and they said, okay, bet, just make me one, let me see. And then you make them a really good one with this prompt I gave you, and you just say, okay, yeah, and you just show it to them and they really like it, and from there you have one client. Now imagine you have 5 and you just do this workflow I just gave to you like 5 times. That's $50, and all this you can do within 1 hour. You've made $50 in 1 hour. So imagine you have 10, and all this is just on a small scale. Imagine you have 10, that's $100. Let's say you used 2 hours to do that, you made $100 in 2 hours. Now if you're really motivated and you're more of a hustler, you can get like 20 and just charge them like $10. That's $200 in a day. Easy quick money. Just easy. Now on a bigger scale, you can look for big YouTubers, maybe like Mr. Beast, just tell him you can make high quality thumbnail, that you just tell him $50 per thumbnail. But that's if you're really good though. If you're shit, he's not gonna take you serious, or any other big content like YouTube content creator is not gonna take you serious. So you have to be really good before you start charging like extraneous prices. But yeah, that's basically how it works. If you want like a massive in-depth video of how to actually get clients using this method, just put it in the comment section and I'll look at it and make a video for you guys. But if you enjoy this video and you want another one, just hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Pluto Grind out.